Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use the Nova chat with the Smart Web Navigator so you can do factual research for your blog post. So let's get started. I'll start off by clicking on the chat button here on the left navigation sidebar. And then I'll make sure that my Smart Web Navigator is on. And I'll click on the new chat so that way we can start a new chat. And then I will go and click on the prompt that I want to use, which is the suggested prompt here. I'll say conduct in-depth research on keyword, and I'll add my keyword here and provide a concise, detailed report. And I can add with sources. All right, so I'll do that. So now I'm going to get my keyword. I'm going to add my keyword right here. Then I'll click on send. Note that the research process can take up to 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the keyword that you're researching, because the AI has to go and get as much information as possible on that topic for you. So just be patient. All right, now that the search is complete, the AI did detailed research for the keyword looking to write about. I'm going to go here and review it. You can go here and review the information. So now if I want, I can start creating my blog post from here by clicking on the right post button here. But I'm going to do one more thing and show you an additional update, which is our questions people ask research feature. What this is I can click on the prompt down here, and what the AI will do, it will go and find real-time, up-to-date questions that people are asking for about this keyword. So this research is not hallucinations or things that the AI is making up, but it will go and find those questions and also provide the answer to them. So I'm going to go ahead and add my keyword here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the send button so that way it can find those questions and those answers. And this can take up to 2 minutes. It takes less than the research report, but it's not instant. All right, so now the AI returned on the questions that people were asking about this keyword and the answers to those questions. So now I can take this information and start writing my blog post, right? So I'll go, if I click on the right post button here, which I can click it on here too, but I'd rather click it on here because I want this information in the editor. So I'll click here and then I'll put in the keyword and I'll click create. All right, so now I have all this information here, which I can use this information and add this information into the instructions. So that way, as I write more or write paragraph, the AI will see this information and it will use it to write factual information in real time because this information will be there. In addition, right, I can go up here into the chat, right? I can do additional research if I want to, or I can go into the chat history and pull up the last search that I did, which is the one that we did in the chat page. And so I have all that information here. So if I wanted to, I can just add those FAQs with the answers right into my blog post right down here, right? Then I can take this information and I can go and create an outline. And then I can take this information here and add it throughout my outline and create a long form factually research blog post. I hope this helped. In the next video, I'm going to actually show you how to put this information into the instructions and use that as background information to make sure that the AI writes more factually and also writes paragraphs and other things factually. Thanks for using Bramework. Have a great day.